That's not a cloud. That's a mountain in front of me. You see this giant thing? No way. What the fuck? What mountain is this? Are we going in that tomorrow? Is that the Anza Borrego? Hold on. Yo, it's all snowy up there. Look at this. It's freaking nuts. I was like, is this a cloud? That is the largest mountain I've ever seen. What the hell? Look at this thing. Yo, it's so windy. I'm blowing hard to my left right now. I'm like pushing right constantly. Whoa, baby boy. High winds ahead. Yeah, no shit, motherfucker. Whoa, minute right now. Load. Look at that mountain. It's gigantic. Ah! Look at these trees. They're going to blow over. Wait, am I cut? Whoa, it's windy as motherfucker. I'm going to blow into that car. Ah, hold on. Hold on, JJ. Ah! Winds are flying over the mountain. It's sucked into this valley. They're blowing me hard right now. I'm getting blown. Ah! Apparently those wind turbines, at the base of each one is like thousands of dead birds, unfortunately. It just slaughters them daily, constantly. That sucks. Ah, windy. Look, wind farm central on the left. Whoa, windy, blowing me. Freaking windy. Ah! Funny. This is funny. Oh, hold on. Jesus. A wild ride here. Chill, brah. Whoa! Got something there.